What does the subscribe button do? Well, I'm Benjamin Parker with Elemental Technology, and we're going to break it all down just for you, and that video starts now. All right, I get a lot of asking about the subscribe button. Now, the subscribe button doesn't act like a subscription to a newspaper or a newsletter or anything like that costs. So it has nothing to do with cost or anything. Basically, the only thing that the subscribe button does is adds sort of my page or a page to your YouTube subscription list. So you can just go you can go to the subscriptions tab in YouTube, and it'll bring up all the pages that you have subscribed to, all the channels that you've subscribed to. So it doesn't do anything else. A lot of people think that maybe they're going to get a lot of clutter or a lot of notifications that videos has been dropped and all that. The subscribe button doesn't do any of that. All it does is adds it a subscription channel page. So now, if you do want notifications, there's a little bell that you have to click on, and then that bell will notify you whenever that person drops another video. So for you, the subscriber button actually doesn't do very much of anything, but just allows you to get back to that person's page easier. But it does a lot for the YouTube creator. There's an algorithm when it comes to monetization that uses subscribers, messages, and different things like that to calculate what videos gets viewed at the top of the list and what videos get viewed at the bottom of the list. So basically, the subscribe button really doesn't affect you very much, but it affects the YouTube creator in a great way. So basically, nothing for you, a lot for them. So always hit the subscribe button if you enjoy a video, and that helps out the community. I'm Benjamin Parker with Elemental Technology, where we break it all down just for you, and you have a great day. And remember, each one teach one, and maybe you'll be the one to reach one. Until the next time.